can give you an output for blowing. At least 290 liters. Wherein it can multiply it out at least 3 times. You can also use it for vacuum application on the other side. This one is for blowing. The other side is vacuum.
Hangin lang ang kaya ano mo.
Yes. Hindi mo na kailangan natin pa normally pag vacuum injector pa yung gagamitin. Ito kasi sir, pwede kasi siya for, kunyari meron kang dust na you want parang from here, kunyari may application ka rito na may kailangan ka higupin na dust or particles na kailangan mo lang ilipat ng container.
Malakas yung
For vacuum sir, you can see the action. It can give you an output of 180 liters.